Global demand for energy and data is surging, driving significant investment in underwater power transmission and communication infrastructure that must be protected from abrasion and impact. Panduit UraProtect Subsea systems are the fastest way to install offshore cables. At the heart of the system is the new high-speed UraProtect Tube. Its half-shell design overlaps, interlocks, and self-aligns to automate much of the installation process, allowing crews to deploy 4 times faster than industry standard, with half as much labor and no need for metal banding. The rest of the system is comprised of 4 main components. Bend restrictors provide support over free spans, obstacles, and crossing existing pipelines. The interlocking vertebrae design is quick to assemble and denser than seawater to reduce stress on cables. Where additional seabed stability is needed, ballast modules can add 25 kilograms per meter. When connecting to rigid structures in dynamic offshore applications or at transition points over obstacles, bend stiffeners are used to relieve strain on cables. And J-tube seals protect the interface between the incoming cable and offshore structures to provide long-term corrosion resistance. The Panduit UraProtect Subsea protection system is designed to be installed with a smaller crew and less heavy equipment, and is made with the highest quality materials for a service life in excess of 20 years. Contact the Panduit Subsea team to learn more about how the UraProtect system can protect your crucial offshore infrastructure.